ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாமா? குட் மார்னிங் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். இன்னைக்கு சயின்ஸ் பார்ட் 3 பார்க்க போகிறோம். டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் பிட்வீன் மாஸ் அண்ட் வெயிட். Mass and weight. First, what is mean by mass? Mass is the basic property of a body. Is a basic property of a body. The amount of matter contained in your body. Mass does not change from one place to another place. Mass does not change. Mass is a scalar quantity. Its units is kilogram. Next, weight. Weight of an object means the gravitational pull acts on a body. Weight change one place to another place. It is a vector quantity. It is a vector quantity. Scalar means it has only magnitude. Magnitude means value or number. Vector means it has magnitude, both magnitude and direction. Weight, for weight direction, weight always acts towards earth or center of the earth. Center of the earth. This is the direction of weight. Next, unit of weight, Newton. Newton, denoted as capital N. Next, acceleration due to gravity, g, which is equal to 9.8 ms power minus 2. This is the earth acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration gravity of moon, g moon, is equal to 1.625 ms2. A person of mass 60 kilogram standing in earth as well as moon. So, his mass 60 kilogram. M, which is equal to. Mass does not change, but weight change. Weight means weight formula W, which is equal to M into G. So, mass of the person 60 kilogram into acceleration due to gravity of earth 9.8 ms power minus 2. So, 588 Newton. So, in moon, same formula W, which is equal to M into G, mass 60 kilogram, acceleration due to gravity of moon 1.625. So, nearly equal to 97.5 Newton. This is the difference between mass and weight. This is our downward gravitational force or weight of the person. In physics, this is major axis, this is minor axis, horizontal, vertical. This is the earth, a person standing here, weight acting downwards, downward gravitational force, gravitational, and normal force acting upwards, normal force. Here is the normal force, which means reaction force. which means reaction force. Reaction is nothing but this is the action, so opposite to that of reaction, that is called apparent weight. Apparent weight means loss of weight. Here there are four conditions for apparent weight. First weight. Lift moves upward direction, and the lift moves upward direction. Listen, lift moves upward means reaction force increases, that means R increases. So maximum value, increased value, apparent weight minus actual weight of an object, which is equal to force produced. So R is equal to F plus W. But we know that according to Newton's second law, F which is equal to M into A plus weight object W which is equal to M into G. Take M as a common, A plus G. So R, this means R greater than W. The apparent weight is greater than the actual weight. So compared to weight. Next, second case. Lift moves downward. Downward means lift moves downward means downward gravitational force increases. So which is maximum? W minus compared to reaction force R, which is equal to F. So W minus F is equal to plus R. W we know that mg minus F, we know that F equal to M into A, which is equal to R. Take M as common, G minus A, which is equal to R. This implies R is less than W. Apparent weight is less than actual weight. Next, case 3. Lift is at rest. Lift is at rest, which means lift is at rest means there is no acceleration. So A equal to 0. There is no acceleration. So W which is equal to R. Apparent weight which is equal to actual weight. That's all. Next. Free fall. Free fall. Free falling body means, free fall means acceleration which is equal to acceleration due to gravity. Substitute this equation, R equal to M into G minus A. R equal to M into A equal to G or G equal to A, anything. So G minus G. M into 0. So R equal to 0. There is no reaction force here. Weightlessness of the astronauts. Astronauts are floating in the space station. Actually, this is wrong because they are free fall around the earth. Their reaction force R equal to 0. They are orbiting the earth free fall in free fall condition. Next, application of Newton's law of gravitation. With the help of Newton's law of gravitation, we are measuring mass of the earth, radius of the earth, acceleration due to gravity of the earth. Next, new stars and new planets, germination of roots, path of astronomical units. One of the irregularity of Newton's law of gravitation is Hubble. Hubble means moving star. Next, solved sums. Calculate the velocity of moving body of mass 5 kg whose linear momentum is 2.5 kg ms power minus 1. Calculate the velocity, which means V which is equal to what? Mass of the body 5 kg, m which is equal to 5 kg. Linear momentum, momentum symbol P, 2.5 kg ms power minus 1. But we know that linear momentum which is equal to mass into velocity. So we need velocity P divided by m which is equal to V. P means 2.5 divided by m. So this is decimal 10 we multiple pannipom. So 2.5 25 மாறிடும் 5 into 10 50 cancel பண்ணா 0.5 velocity unit of velocity ms power minus 1. Next, second sum. A door is pushed at a point whose distance from the hinges is 90 centimeter. Distance means D with a force of 40 Newton. So F which is equal to 40 Newton. Calculate the moment of force. So moment of distance D which is equal to 90 centimeter. Centimeter can be converted into meter. So 90 centimeter divided by 100. 0.9 meter. Next F which is equal to 40 Newton. Moment of force symbol capital M. Formula for moment of force F into D. Force 40 Newton. Distance 0.9 meter. So 36 Newton meter. Newton means force. Distance means meter. Next. At what height from the center of the earth the acceleration due to gravity will be 1/4 of its value as at the earth? Listen, consider an object, consider earth having mass capital M as radius capital R. In center of the earth an object under free fall condition in height h. The distance between the center of the earth and center of the object is r dash. The acceleration due to gravity of earth g. For an object g by 4, g dash which is equal to g by 4. So, earth gravitational acceleration due to gravity g equal to gm by r square. Take equation 1. Object gravity at height h. So, g dash which is equal to gm by r, here r dash square, radius of object. Equation number 1 divided by 2, gm cancel. G divided by g dash which is equal to r dash by r square. G divided by, but we know that g dash which is equal to g by 4. So, g cancel, 1 divided by 1 by 4. So, it will move up. R dash value r plus h whole square divided by r square. R plus h whole square divided by r square, take square as common. So, r square plus h square by r square. R square plus r square cancel, 1 plus h square by r square. Square inside vanda square root ah maaro. So, appa 4 root edutha 2 which is equal to 1 plus h divided by r. So, 1 in the side vanda minus 1 ah maaro. 2 minus 1 which is equal to h by r. Appo 1 equal to h by r. So, r equal to h. So, enna nama inga determine panna solranga at what height from the center of the earth. So, height r dash. This is the height, center of the earth to object. So, r dash which is equal to r plus h. But here r which is equal to h which is equal to r. So, r dash which is equal to r plus r which means 2r. The radius of the earth or the object of the earth is twice to its radius of earth. So, the acceleration will be g by 4. Listen students, இதோட நம்மளோட ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லெசன் வந்து ஃபினிஷ் ஆயிடுச்சு. இதுக்கப்புறம் புக் பேக் கொஷின்ஸ் தான் இருக்கும். சயின்ஸை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் புக் பேக்கை விட புக் இன்சைடுக்கு க்ரியேட்டிவ் கொஷின்ஸ் தான் நம்ம நிறைய இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் தரணும். ஸோ இந்த சால்வ்டு ப்ராப்ளம்லாம் பாருங்கள். உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது டவுட் இருந்தால் என்கிட்ட டவுட் கேளுங்க, கமெண்ட்டில் சென்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். ஓகே, இதெல்லாம் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். கண்டிப்பாக இதெல்லாம் கிளாஸ் டெஸ்ட் வரும். கிளாஸ் டெஸ்ட்டுக்கு வர கொஷின்ஸை ரெகுலராக அட்டன் பண்ணுங்கள். ஸோ அப்போ தான் சயின்ஸ் ரொம்ப ஈஸியாக இருக்கும். புக் இன்சைட் கொஸ்டின் ஆன்சர்ஸ் முடிஞ்சிட்டு அப்புறம் அதுக்கப்புறம் நம்ம புக் பேக்குக்கு போகலாம். தேங்க்யூ.